Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. Today I gonna teach you the easiest way to download instrumental music with lyrics from YouTube to your cell phone using this converter link. It's very important to select on the type of music to be fed to our ears. For me, I prefer the spiritual melodies since I consider them a healthy process for our mind and spirit. And one thing here, you can keep coming back to get another downloads, as many as you can, as long as your cell phone can hold. In any way, you can use this music, your downloaded music, in many ways for audio programs, for your videos. Alright, we start in the basic steps. First, you go to the Google search engine and search this. There, www.mp3 free download. So that is your link. Let's go back first. Here. No, that it should be CC, not con. MP3 juices, free MP3 downloads. This is the right one. I have already in my screen about this converter. I have already here, so there's no need for me to download because I have here. This one. This is the most important. You have to open this. You have here the blank browser. You have to type your choice. My song is This is My Father's World. No, I prefer the piano. You have here many items you can select. And it's noted here, download, then separate to play. You have to test first to verify if this selection is the right one. So, click play. So click now the download. Then here is initializing, checking video, loading video, converting video. Then just wait. Okay, here. The file is ready. Please click the download button to start the download. So download. So this is from the YouTube. Remember, YouTube. The source is YouTube. Now I have already there, but I just want to show you how I did. So it's already there, the download. So just click the details. There's your second one. We'll try to check if this is the correct music here that we have done. Ganun lang. Very easy, di ba? Marami tayong chances magkaroon tayo ng maraming music. So ngayon, balik muna tayo sa home. Baka hindi pa natin hindi ito na-erase. So, we have to type the home so that everything will be gone and we are free to come back and download more. Oh, this is it. So, we'll try to go back to the home screen and find the places. We have already on the files so that all that we have downloaded are already kept in the files, but there is also another place here that we can use, especially we have to do it because you can play it just by choosing one song, then after next, it will just follow. Oh, download. So here are the list of the music that I downloaded. These are all religious, spiritual songs because I like to have this for my relaxation time to put into my meditation and fellowship with God. So here it is. You can find below here. You can also play this portion here. So, dyan. Ganon kasimple ang ating nagawa ngayon. Sana marami kayong na kuha na dito sa pangaparaan paano tayo makadownload ng ating music. And I hope you can do it now. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can follow some other tutorials that I will be creating this time. Thank you and bye-bye. God bless.